It's time to reset. Get a drink, get comfy. Let's reset for the new year. In order to fully immerse yourself in what is the best to come, your past needed a clear up. And clearing space in the most practical, rational, and chronological way. It can mean that you're sorting out your written notes, your lessons learned, your photo library, your past experiences, past emotions, past intentions, past work done, past trauma, and also amazing memories, etc., etc. That's how you understand life and acknowledge life. You will realize that you will experience profound emotional freedom because you allow as you are experiencing them. It can get emotional, but ultimately, you are that person who get to direct your way that stems in the new phases of your life. Then the next step is to ignite your passion. It's that time. Igniting what lights you up is a conscious practice and decision. Sometimes you are in a phase where you find yourself in the fuzziness of not knowing what to do or what you are doing. And because it's guiding you to ignite your passion again, that's what makes life exciting again. It almost comes second nature for you. It can look like that you're trying new things, experimenting with life. You can go on hours and hours of deep research of your interests. Or it can look like that you're tuning deeply within yourself. It gives you perspective when you look at other people's life or their work, because it inspires you. It's time to ask yourself, do you really like this? One of the greatest gifts in life is that you can try and experiment with life and step outside of your comfort zone. It's your job to make sure that you do something that uplifts your soul. This applies in any area of your life, with work, with learning, with creativity, with health, with traveling. This is what makes life exciting again. What you may not realize is that what you are trying to do reflects an expression of yourself or a value within you, whether it's creativity, intelligence, community, or problem solving. It's a great opportunity that you adjust for growth. You learn more about yourself on the way of becoming the best version of yourself. And it's the becoming becomes part of you that is so precious, so valuable. Reviewing your system. It's that time to review your system. It's time to make systematic choices again. It's that time to ramp up all of your intentions. Make a set of your values, as well as spiritual values. You may also want to review your principles. What do you value more of? Perhaps health, work, relationship, and in what order? Let's look at the mindset you adopt, the action plan you commit to, a decision you make that you want to show up for, and what is an accompanying action that comes with each situation. Intentionally cultivate an environment that is aspiring for you and that will put you to grow as a person. You may also want to make clear with your boundaries so that you will know what crosses your boundaries and when you have to say no. We cannot not talk about self-worth. Your well-being depends on it. The mentality that you deserve what you aspire to accomplish and your dream will come true. You deserve to be taken good care of. You are deserving of healthy relationships and a lifestyle that makes you happy. You decide your self-worth. Affirm what you are yes for. It's also important to practice self-control. How you are parenting your trigger parts. Those parts, you know what I mean? It's your responsibility to create this intention, make change, and embrace the discomfort that comes with it. You want to make sure how everything is what you wanted. New year, new mindset to level up. Whatever gets into your way, it's meant to get out of the way. No matter what the circumstances may be, you will have to make sure every situation serves you. You will have to make sure everything is happening in your favor. If you are thinking, is it meant to be? No, because you chose to be, because you decided to be, because you wanted to be. Imperfections, so be it. Don't confuse irrationality with what is your truth. I encourage you to visualize the best scenario as wide as you can. Dream job, the ideal best self, the ideal soul connection, the ideal relationship, and then take bold and consistent actions towards it. It's time to get clear what to work hard on. Get clear on what you want, who you are as an identity. Set goals that challenges you and show up consistently for it. Personally, relationally, financially, or something outside of your normal life. Do yourself a favor. Ignite and show love for where you are at in your journey. When you think about your vision, where you want to go, what you want to accomplish, acknowledge that it's not a future illusion, but because you're already it. I challenge you to think about your dream in all areas that mean to you, in the most practical sense. Think about what is the actionable step you can take that stem in this moment.